Everybody, this is Roscoe Thompson with Danchuk Manufacturing here at the Murrieta Rod Run. It's early Saturday morning, just getting things kicked off here. And we're looking at Gabriel Alvarado's 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop, beautiful car. It's sitting right next to the Danchuk booth. And Gabriel, why don't you hop into the picture here and tell us a little bit about this beautiful Trifive Chevy?
I've had the car about 3 years now, and purchased it actually from Ohio. Found it on eBay, had a private inspector inspect the car for me, and he did his normal checks and really didn't find anything major, problems with it. And he checked it out. I was satisfied with what the report said, and bought it. So when I received it, it's almost the way you see it now. There are some upgrades that I've done to it. I do have a power steering CPP, and I do have the Global West front suspension, tubular arms, coil springs, and sway bar. And other than that, like I say, it is the way you see it. That's the way I bought it.
Why don't you open the hood? Let us see inside.
All right. And did some
very nice
minor upgrades to the engine. It's a 350 crate engine, 290 horse, billet valve covers, air cleaner, the CPP disc brakes, and the I do have the alternator on it. I did put that on, and other than that, that's what I have in the engine compartment. And the other than that, the interiors, the way it came from factory. The factory interior. And other than that, I haven't really changed anything on the inside. It is the way it was made. So, other than that, it's a very nice driver. It really handles well now with all the upgrades I've done to it. And main thing to do is get out and drive them. You can't just let them sit. So.
Absolutely. And you said you got a couple of pieces of Danchuk bright work on it?
Yeah, all the bright work belongs to were purchased at Danchuk. The crest, the front grille was already installed. It is a Danchuk grille. The bumpers were actually re-chromed. And the bright work on the side, trim work. The tail lights are Danchuk, and the same thing on the rear.
Well, it's a beautiful car, Gabriel.
Thank you.
I'll just do a quick walk around here. Little tight quarters. And I came from Ohio, so.
Oh, you did.
Beautiful car. All right, Gabriel, thank you so much.
Sure.
And glad to have you next to the booth here. And enjoy the show.
Okay, thanks for having me, Roscoe. Thank you.
All right, everybody. Again, Murrieta Rod Run all day today. You'll find us at the corner of Washington Avenue and Juniper Street in downtown Old Town Murrieta. Again, tons of cars, lots of people. They're saying like 20,000 people are going to come by today. Food, music, and amazing cars in all directions here. So again, if you're down in the Old Town Murrieta area, stop by and see us. We've got catalogs for those of you that need that. We've got our new 55 grill, again, made in the USA. We believe it's the nicest grill ever made. And we've got some Danchuk goodies. We can talk Tri-Fives. And again, we have a show-only money-saving coupon on your next Danchuk order. So again, stop by today and see us here at the Murrieta Rod Run.